Hello, good morning dear students. Narito muli tayo sa ating channel para matuto ng iba't ibang mathematics lessons. Ang topic natin sa umagang ito is entitled Examples of Quadratic Equation. This is a tutorial video with clear explanation. If you want this video, just share this video to your students and please subscribe for more videos. So, a quadratic equation is an equation of second degree, meaning it contains at least one term that is squared. The standard form is ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, with a, b, and c being constants or numerical coefficients, and x is an unknown variable. One absolute rule is that the first constant is a, cannot be 0. So, ganito ang example ng standard form ng quadratic equation. Gaya ng nasabi ko kanina, ang quadratic equation, the standard form is ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So, meron tayong example dito which is 2x squared plus 6x plus 4 equals 0. So, hanapin natin ang a, b, at c niya. So, ang a niya is the numerical coefficient of the first term, yung merong exponent na 2. Ang a natin is 2, ang b natin is 6, at ang c natin is 4. Now, we have another examples here of standard form of equation. Now, please try to answer kung ano yung a, ano yung b, at ano yung c sa given standard form of the quadratic equation. 8 items ito. So, ito ang mga examples natin ng quadratic equation in standard form. So, number 1 is 6x squared plus 11 minus 35 equals 0. Number 2 is 2x squared minus 4x minus 2 equals 0. Number 3 is negative 4x squared minus 7x plus 12 equals 0. Number 4 is 20x squared minus 15x minus 10 equals 0. Number 5 is x squared minus x minus 3 equals 0. Number 6 is 5x squared minus 2x minus 9 equals 0. Number 7 is 3x squared plus 4x plus 2 equals 0. And number 8 is negative x squared plus 6x plus 18 equals 0. So kung papansinin natin, ang quadratic equation in the standard form, which is ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, palaging nauuna yung x squared na merong numerical coefficient. Susunod yung x na walang exponent. Pag walang exponent yan, automatic the exponent is 1. At yung constant natin, anumang number dyan, yan yung pangatlo, then that is equal to 0. So here is another example of quadratic equation. Ngayon, ang nawawala dito is yung bx natin. Examples are 2x squared minus 64 equals 0, x squared minus 16 equals 0, 9x squared plus 49 equals 0, negative 2x squared minus 4 equals 0, 4x squared plus 81 equals 0, and negative x squared minus 9 equals 0. We have another example of quadratic equation here na ang nawawala naman is yung constant natin or yung letter c. So, these are the examples. First is x squared minus 7x equals 0. Kung mapapansin natin, wala yung constant, yung walang kasamang variable. Next is 2x squared plus 8x equals 0. Next is negative x squared minus 9x equals 0. Ibig sabihin yan, ang numerical coefficient ng x squared is negative 1. Next is x squared plus 2x equals 0. Negative 6x squared minus 3x equals 0. Next is negative 5x squared plus x equals 0. Next is negative 12x squared plus 13x equals 0. Next is 11x squared minus 27x equals 0. So dito, ito ay isa ding example ng quadratic equation kahit walang constant. Another example of quadratic equation in factored form. Kapag ang quadratic equation ay na-factor mo, it doesn't mean na hindi na siya quadratic equation. It is still a quadratic equation. So, example number 1, quantity x plus 2 times x minus 3 equals 0. Next is quantity x plus 1 times x plus 6 equals 0. Next is x minus 6 times quantity x plus 1 equals 0. Next is negative 3 times x minus 4 times 2x plus 3 equals 0. Next is x minus 5 times x plus 3 equals 0. Next is x minus 5 times x plus 2 equals 0. Next is x minus 4 times x plus 2 equals 0. And lastly, we have 2x plus 3 times 3x minus 2 equals 0. Kapag pinag-multiply ninyo ito, makaka-form kayo ng quadratic equation. So, ito yung mga solution niya sa ating right side. Here are other examples of quadratic equation. First is x times quantity x minus 2 equals 4. So, nakita nyo walang exponent na 2. Pero, kapag minultiply mo yung x dyan sa x minus 2, surely makakuha ka ng x square. So, next is x times 2x plus 3 equals 12. Next is 3x times x plus 8 equals negative 2. Next is 5x squared equals 9 minus x. Next is negative 6x squared equals negative 2 plus x. Next is x squared equals 27x minus 14. Next is x squared plus 2x equals 1. Next is 4x squared minus 7x equals 15. Next is negative 8x squared plus 3x equals negative 100. So these are the examples of quadratic equation. Tandaan nyo, kapag ang pinakamataas na exponent is raised to the second power, so that means that is a quadratic equation. So I hope you learned something from this video. So if you want to be updated with our future uploads, just click the subscribe button at yung notification bell sa baba ng ating video. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching.